What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the fam. The rest of this October, we're going to be doing a Halloween theme. So these next few videos, we're going to be all focused on Halloween stuff. How's that sound?
Good.
Good. All right. So what are you going to be for Halloween?
Vampire.
A vampire without any teeth?
Yeah.
You're not going to be a very scary vampire.
But at least I have some teeth.
That's gross.
These parts are supposed to be sticky, but they aren't.
So it doesn't work? So
See?
then you're not going to be a very scary vampire at all.
Mom's gonna order some new ones.
So the big bad vampire needs Mom to order him some teeth.
And the lugs. And the bloodsucker.
Okay. Well, we're going to turn you into a scarier vampire than what you actually look like now. How's that sound?
Amazing.
All right. Roll it.
Roll it. This is the before. And this is the after. What kind of music is this?
I wanted it to be scary. It's scary, right?
Not kind of. No.
Oh, well. Oh, you got your teeth, huh?
Yeah.
Did you have fun making the video?
Yeah.
All right. Gross. I got your slobber all over me. All right, what do they have to do?
If you want to see the whole tutorial, click the link below. Right here, kids. Right here. Check it out.
All right, see you next time.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and smash that subscribe button to be part of our design fam. See you next time. Bye!